Hello students, today we are talking about divisibility rule. We started with 1. Actually 1 is divided every number. So we never write a rule for 1. And 0 is the only number which is divisible by every number. Okay, 1 divides every number and 0 is divisible by every number. Both are different. Means 0 is quotient for every number, maybe quotient for, so 0 is divisible by every number and 1 divides every number. Now we started our rule from 2. Maybe you know about these rules, but here I am discussing about more up to 20. We are discussing divisibility rule. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit or unit digit is a even number. Even numbers means either it is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the last digit or unit digit of any number is this, then that number is divisible by 2. For example, we are taking some number like 726, 72650, 72650. Okay, now no need to divide whole number. If it is asked like that, it is divisible by 2 or not, just seeing with the last digit. It is 6 in the pair. Yes, it is divisible by 2. The last digit of the number is 5. It is actually called unit digit or last digit. Okay, so last digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. Now last digit is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 2. That is the rule for divisibility of 2. Divisible by 3. Now if the sum of digit is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. If the sum of digit is divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. Here I am writing only key points. You have to write full definition. I am speaking full definition. Okay. Now 5, 3, 4. Sum of digit 5 plus 3 plus 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 12 is in the 3 table. So the whole number is divisible by 3. 7 to 9. 7 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 3 6 18. That means this number is also divisible by 3. 3, 5, 2. 3 plus 5 plus 2. It is 10. 10 is not in the table of 3. So that number is not divisible by 3. Divisible by 4. If the last two digit, if the last two digit of a number is divisible by 4, then the number is also divisible by 4. For example, now we are going to check if that number is divisible by 4 or not. So no need to divide whole the number. Last two digit matlab this 72. 72 is divisible by 4 or not? We just check it. Not 2. It is 1, 4. Here we see that the 72 is fully divisible by 4. No remainder is here. That means 572 is divisible by 4. Divisibility means there is no remainder. No remainder means remainder is 0. Now we check this one. Last two digit is 52. Now we check 52 is divisible by 4 or not. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 12. Yes, 13. So it is also fully divisible by 4. So both number are divisible by 4. If the last digit of number is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. For example, 990. The unit digit or last digit is 0. This number is divisible by 5. 551. 5535. Unit digit of that number is 1, not 0 or 5. So it is not divisible by 5. The unit digit of this is 5, so it is divisible by 5. Now, divisible by 6. The factorization of 6 is 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja. That means we can write 6 equals to 2 into 3 in the factorization of prime number. If any number we are going to check the divisibility of 6, then just check if that number is divisible by both 2 and 3, both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. For example, 216. We just check it is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, the unit digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. Now check the sum of digit. 2 plus 1 plus 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 is divisible by 3. That means that number is also divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then it is also divisible by 6. Another example, 531. Unit digit or last digit is 1, so it is not divisible by 2. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 1 9. It is divisible by 3 but not 2, so it is not divisible by 6. We have to divide that number in by both number, so the number is divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 2, not 3, so it is not divisible by 6. If it is divisible by 3, not 2, so it is also not divisible by 3. Divisible by 7. Double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining leading truncated number. If the result is divisible by 7, so original number is divisible by 7. Now let us see an example. 8. We have to find 826 is divided by 7 or not. So just double the last digit. So what is remaining? 82 is remaining. Double the last digit. 6 2s are 12. And subtract it from the remaining number. Remaining is 82. 82 minus 12. What you get? You got 70. And 70 is divisible by 7. If anyone having a doubt, so again you can proceed. Double the last digit. Last digit is 0. Double of 0 is also 0. And remaining number is 7. 7 minus 0, 7. So you got both 70 or 7 is divisible by 0. So the whole number 826 is divisible by 7. Now we are going to take another example. So no need to divide whole number by 7 first. Just double the number 1 into 2, 2. And the remaining number is 240. 240 में से डबल नंबर को माइनस करेंगे. we get 238. Now 238, we don't know about 238 is divisible by 7 or not. The same rule, 8, double of 8 is 8 to the 16. So we subtract the 16 from 23. 23 minus 16, you got 7. 7 is divisible by 7. That means the full number 2401 is divisible by 7. So that is the rule of your for the number is divisible by 7. Now if the number is divisible by 8 or not, so just check. If the last 3 digit is divisible by 8, so the number is divisible by 8. For example, that is your number. So we want to check that number is divisible by 8 or not. So just divide last 3 digit, and you need to divide 352. If 352 is divisible by 8, so whole number is divisible by 8. Now you can see here there is no remainder, and remainder is 0. So the whole number is divisible by 44. That means our original number is divisible by, the whole number is divisible by 8. 44 is our quotient. Sorry. So the whole number is also divisible by 8. This number is divisible by 8. I hope it is clear. Divisible by 9. If the sum of digit same as 3, na? If the sum of digit is divisible by 9, so the number is divisible by 9. 7 to 9 is divisible by 9 or not? 7 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 9, 20. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So the number 18 is divisible by 9. So 729 is also divisible by 9. Divisible by 10. If the last digit is 0, then number is divisible by 10. Here the last digit is 0, divisible by 10. Last digit is 0, divisible by 10. Last digit is not 0, so it is not divisible by 10. Divisible by 11. Now for this, first we take a simple example. We all know if we are doing the sum of alternate numbers. One is even place or one is odd place. 1 plus 1, 2. And for 2 there is no another option. So that is the sum of odd place. And now we are putting even place sum. It is only 2. So sum of odd place and sum of even place are subtracting from each other. If we are getting 0 or 11 or multiple of 11, so the number is divisible by 11. Here 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. Subtract them, 0. In starting I told you that 0 is divisible by every number, so it is also divisible by 11. If the subtraction of sum of even or odd places is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. We take one more example. The sum of odd place is 9 plus 0, 9. and this is 9 only. 9 minus 9, 0. So yes, the number is divisible by 11. Now we are taking one more example. Number of odd places. So add these numbers. 3 plus 1 plus 0. You can put anywhere odd and even. Now 6 plus 9 plus 1. So 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 minus 3 plus 1, 4. So, 1 second. Sorry, I wrote here wrong. 0 or 2. So the combination is 2 here. So 5. So you got 11. So number is divisible by 11. That is the rule for 11. मतलब तुमको इवन और ऑड प्लेस के नंबर, अल्टरनेट नंबर ऐड करने हैं. इसी तरीके से मतलब एक बार पूरे ऑड प्लेस के कर लिए, फिर एक बार पूरे इवन प्लेस के कर लिए. या तो इवन ऑड में से घटा दो या ऑड इवन में से घटा दो. जो मतलब सब्सट्रैक्ट करो, जो तुमको ग्रेटर लगे उसमें से करो. नो नीड टू टेक माइनस साइन. और इफ माइनस साइन इज देयर, नो प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. सो जस्ट चेक इट दैट द न्यूमेरिकल नंबर इज आइदर 0 or multiple of 11. So in this manner you can apply divisibility of 11. Divisible by 13. Now you are thinking that where is 12? So we can write 12 in the factor of 4 into 3. So if the number is divisible by 3 and 4, so the number is divisible by 12 also. That is the rule for 12. Not only for 12, if we are able to write a number in the composite, or a composite number in the prime factor, for example 21 is we can write it 7 to 3. So if the number is divisible by both 7 or 3, so the number is also divisible by 21. So we are now discussing only about prime numbers, not for composite numbers. First we take an example. In the rule of divisibility by 13, what we do? We take last digit. Last digit is 1 here. First we write remaining number like that. Last digit is 1. Last digit is multiplied by 4. 1 is multiplied by 4, you got 4. So add 4 in the remaining digits, remaining number. So what you got? You will get 5070. Now same procedure. Last digit is 0. So what's your remaining number? Your remaining number is 507. Right? Add the 4 times of last digit. 4 times of 0 is 0 into 4. You got 0 again. So write 0. So what you got? You got 507. Now 507, similar process. Last digit is 7. So 4 times of last digit. First we write our original number. It is 50. 50 plus 4 times of 7 is 28. What you got? Got 78. So in the last you got 78, and you know 78 is divisible by 13. 13 6 78 means the result is divisible by 13. So the original number is divisible by 13. So what you do? add 4 times the last digit to the remaining leading truncated numbers. If the result is divisible by 13, so the original result is also divisible by 13. After 13, 17 is your prime number. Now we are talking about divisibility rule of 17. So for this I am taking one number 3978. We check it is divisible by 7 yet or not. The divisibility rule of 17 is little bit different. It is same like in as a 13 but little bit different. In 13 we add, in which we subtract. Multiply last digit by 5, or first we write remaining number 397. Subtract 5 times of last digit. 8 5s are 40. So what you got? You got 357. Now your last digit is 7. So write 35 at it is. 5 times of 7. 5 7 ja 35. 35 and 35 0. 0 is divisible by 17. So the original number is divisible by 17. So for the 17, the divisibility rule is subtract 5 times the last digit from the remaining leading truncated number. If the result is divisible by 17, then the first number or original number is also divisible by 17. I hope you can write by your own. No need to write here. Now I am discussing about rule for 19. Divisibility rule for 19. In the 13 we add 4 times the last digit. In rule of 17 we subtract 5 times the last digit. In 19 we add 2 times the last digit. Add 2 times the last digit to the remaining leading truncated number. If the result is divisible by 19, then the whole number is also divisible by 19. For this we are taking an example. Twice of last digit. We write first remaining number. Twice of